Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use MyMixer.io. MyMixer.io is a service that mixes different streams of potentially identifiable cryptocurrency. This improves the anonymity of transactions, as it makes your cryptocurrency transaction harder to trace. First you want to go to the website. Links will be in the description below. Once you're here, there's going to be a tutorial down here, and you can see how well made the site is. Now you will see this button, Mix Now. You just want to click onto that, and now you're ready to mix. As you can see, their service could mix 7 cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'm going to be mixing $250 worth of Bitcoin. First, you want to put your destination Bitcoin address. Now down here, there's going to be a slider for how fast you want the transfer speed to be. Of course, we would want to use the fastest. Hit Proceed. Now it should make a transaction ID, and the amount of Bitcoin you will have to send to the following address, which is right here. Now we're going to be sending the $250 on to this address. Now once you're done sending, click on Check Transactions. Now this will take mostly up to 15 minutes or less, so we're just going to have to wait for the money to arrive on my other wallet. And it finally sent. It only took 13 minutes for me, and it's really fast compared to the other mixers out there. Have fun cleaning, guys!